Hi, I'm Jay Porter from Radial Engineering here at Full Compass to show the Radial Key-Largo 4-channel keyboard mixer. So the Key-Largo is exactly that, designed for the keyboard player or stage engineer that is dealing with multiple keyboards on stage. So it gives you 4 different inputs. So 3 analog inputs, stereo or mono, each with their own separate level control. You have a USB input for the player that's using soft-synths to go in, also with its own level control. All 4 inputs have a effects send for a shared stereo effects loop, and then there's a global effects return. A monitor output and main output with separate level controls, so the keyboard player can set his own level for an onstage monitor and then give a separate level to front of house. Effects loop can be turned on and off with the foot switch. And there's also a sustain pedal built in, so it's just a switch added to connect to any keyboard sustain function, just in case the keyboard player forgets the sustain pedal or maybe has a second keyboard they want to use the sustain with. Just adding that extra functionality into the pedal we thought would be an extra feature. If you go around to the side here, there's a Midi I/O. So the Midi I/O actually feeds the USB, so it becomes a full MIDI interface for your computer. This is a benefit for the keyboard player that wants to maybe use their analog keys to trigger their soft synth and have that play along. Just thought, again, it would be a useful feature to have in a keyboard mixer. Flipping around to the back side, you can see your connections. So inputs 1 through 3, 2 1/4-inch jacks for mono or stereo inputs. You have your effects loop, send and return, and TRS jacks for your monitor outputs. Main outs via XLR, your volume pedal for stereo volume pedal connection, and then a USB I/O for 24-bit 192 digital audio conversion. Another cool little feature we've added to the Key-Largo is turning it in from live mode to recording mode. So live mode, it's designed to be the analog and USB into an analog output. When you switch it to recording mode, it becomes a full-featured interface for your computer. So for recording in the studio for your digital workstation, want to set up your nice keyboard mix and send it to your DAW, you can do that as well with this box. Those of us in live sound have seen so many times guys with big, beautiful keyboard rigs coming in, plugging into a low-quality little mixer, low headroom, lots of noise, hiss. It kind of degrades the whole keyboard sound. To have a Key-Largo dedicated keyboard mixer, lots of headroom and high quality sound, so it's a great piece for the keyboard player or even the front of house sound engineer to get the keyboards under control. So it's the Key-Largo from Radial Engineering. To learn more about the Radial Engineering Key-Largo, go to fullcompass.com or contact your Full Compass sales pro.